it's Hannah.
It's Jacqueline.
Today we had 3 days to make a Woolie News, and we have a bunch of new segments for you guys.
So today we're going to be starting off with a blind, deaf, mute, no hands baking challenge.
What's up, Woolie Nation?
Today we're doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge, and we're going to be baking cookies. Okay, come.
All right, step in.
How many do I need to do? What?
What do you need?
Hold up fingers. I'll feel them.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5?
So. All right, go.
Is that good?
It just says soft. It doesn't say melted. Just.
Alright, you're good. You don't need that. You sure? Yeah.
Oh. Test it.
Raw.
Get a bite.
So we could either, we could double check with her and see if there's possibility for that much sacrifice, or
Raw.
That was so much fun, as we've never done something like that before.
Now, as we only have 30 days left, we're going to be going around and showing some seniors themselves as freshmen and seeing how much they've changed.
Beautiful. Show the camera.
This doesn't make sense. Sign it.
Yeah, just open it.
Where are you gonna sign?
Just right when you open it.
All of the notes you gave us.
And you just sign it. Right,
That's
yeah.
everything we've learned to do. Salt planes and just that. Salt plane using just the thing.
Good.
Yeah, and then just show.
Can you sign this for me?
Sign this?
Yeah, just open it and sign it.
Dear God.
Sign it.
I need you to sign it.
Look at that cut.
Oh,
Show the
yeah.
camera.
Oh yeah.
Hold it up to the camera.
There you go.
Wow, people have changed so much since freshman year.
For our last segment, we're going to do a mystery What's in the Box challenge.
Hi MHS, we're doing a What's in the Box challenge. Today we have Braden, me, Naya, Joe, and Matt.
Next item.
I know, I did unlock, like, the quick reload. Yeah. I can do it with my eyes fucking wide. Okay.
I like those kids. I don't know what this is. Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
I have no idea what I just said, so.
I have an idea.
All right.
Alright. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Stuffed animal.
A pizza Jellycat.
Where did you get it? But is it beans
Yeah,
or
where
stuffing? Is it beans or stuffing?
There's beans and stuffing.
Bang!
Wait, would you call that a stuffed animal?
I would
I
call
feel
it
like, yeah.
beanbag. Actually,
No,
where did you get
beanbag
that?
is
If it has,
beanbag.
if it
No,
has,
you use a beanbag
if
for
it has
tossing.
beans in it,
Nope, that's
it's
not
a
a beanbag.
beanbag.
Nope.
Next item. Okay, you guys are good.
Matt, you're up.
Matt, go!
Jamie last.
Go, move.
I don't like what
Tell me
the-
the
Smells
With the
minty.
We might not be able to do that.
Ah.
Is your hand dirty?
I don't know.
Keep this.
Well.
Looks like pizza though.
Not too sure.
What?
Is it edible?
Oh my god.
It smells like coconut.
I know what it is.
Alright.
Okay.
Wait,
Smells like
I'm
popcorn.
gonna guess.
Alright,
3, 2, 1.
Butter.
Lotion.
Deodorant.
Butter.
It's butter. A stick of butter that I.
Thank you so much for watching Woolies.
I hope you enjoyed our first full class Woolie News.